How to add Chinese keyboard on your MacBook. So firstly, go to your system settings and now scroll down to the bottom and here find keyboard area. Now you want to find text input, input sources, and here click on edit. And in left down corner area, click on this little plus. And we want to find Chinese keyboard. So scroll down and here are some Chinese examples, simplified or traditional. You can choose between even more. For example, this first one, here you can see all the signs and click on add. Now you can click done and open your notes, and in the top menu bar here is the new icon. Click this and choose this Chinese traditional, and now you can simply text and it's using the Chinese letters. So it's simply as that. If you want to change it back to your normal, click in your top menu bar and choose it. So that's how you can add Chinese keyboards to your MacBook. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing and see you next time.